Welcome to 7 Starlake Technology Training Program. Today's topic is how to deploy rugged mission computer in land system. 7 Starlake military land systems including panel computer, Xeon DE Vmware workstation, MXM GPU computer and rack mount server. Our military commercial off-the-shelf computers are based on open, scalable, modular architecture technologies that enable prime contractors and system integrators to deploy quickly while meeting size, weight, power and cost optimization. Armored ground vehicle, one of the core supports in defense industry, regardless for combat or transportation, has been continuously progress on technique evolution. Take 7 Starlake AV800, 16-core Skylake DE soldered processor integrated with NVIDIA T4 GPU for example. In order to simultaneously connect, receive, and process information from each system efficiently, a powerful embedded mission computer with superior and stable performance is the key to the land systems. In this video, we will go through military land system products. First, what is vehicle-mounted command and control systems? Next, architecture of small form factor CPU module. It includes COM Express Type 6, Type 7, and PCIe 104. Third, we will introduce you military standard 810 and military standard 461 and 1275. Final part, you will see the main features of Defense Display Computer, Xeon DE Vmware Server, MXM GPU Computer and Rack Mount Server. Armored ground vehicles for transportation or combat are a core pillar for every armed force, and have been continuously evolving from a technology perspective. From computers to displays, to the underlying componentry, require top-notch performance-stable interconnectivity and near-zero latency. Take Cloud 12 for great example. Programmable touch panel computer, shown all kinds of sensors data at one display and allow soldiers to define the function keys. AV710 is based on GPU-CPU structure. NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 GPU accelerates diverse workloads, including deep learning training and inference for target acquisition and surveillance. Data security is the highest principle in the battlefield. Intel 16 cores ultra-high-performance Xeon D1587 processor can be used for one or many virtual machines. 7 Starlake's C4ISR solutions emphasize integrating ultra-high-performance components in SWaP-C-conscious designs. Take transit armored vehicles for example. We focus on the capabilities to control, because control leads to dominance. Horus 200 is equipped with ultra-high-performance Intel Xeon D1587 processor. In a scenario where virtual machine is integrated with C4ISR system, the 16-core processor allows the CPU resources be reallocated to one or more virtual machines. All data and assets can be managed from one location. Ideal hardware utilization, expansion potentials and high-efficiency operation are further guaranteed. In battlefield reality, where 1 second difference defines success and failure, the application of virtualization machine has become indispensable. Modern radar sensor systems are being deployed to carry out multitasking for detection and tracking of several objects simultaneously. Horus 430 MXM GPU rack mount server has integrated NVIDIA GPU GTX 1080 and dual 10 gigabit ports to apply all sort of applications, taking the advantage of high throughput possible with the GPUs. The Horus 430 possess great superiority for image computing utilization, real-time image processing for object tracking and surveillance in battlefield. Essential elements of 7 Starlake military computers include 6 elements. PCIe 104 and MXM are scalable, and their rugged connection ensures the entire system can be certified by military standard 810 to resist heavy vibration and shock. In harsh environment, the electronic equipment is under severe shaking and impact from the mobile carrier. Those devices particularly need to take into account IP65 protection and acid and corrosion resistance. 7 Starlake IP65 mission computer applied with conformal coating to prevent the system from being corroded but also provide protection against moisture, dust, chemicals, and temperature extremes. Known for application ruggedness, reliability, sealing properties, and compactness characteristics. PCIe 104 and FPE connectors are ideal for high-end electronic equipment and use in extreme environment conditions such as 10 GRM's vibration and 100G shock. 7 Starlake PCIe 104 platform provides state-of-the-art Intel Core i7 and Xeon processor with high-speed serial interface, including 16 PCIe Express lanes to support MXM GPU such as Quadro RTX 5000 and GTX 1080, and another 8 PCIe Express lanes to support dual 10 gigabit. The COM Express specification defines a family of small form factor and computer on module single-board computers, appropriate for a wide range of commercial and military, aerospace applications. 7 Starlake COM Express platform provides high performance with high-speed serial interface, including 32 PCIe Express lanes to support MXM GPU such as Quadro RTX 5000 and GTX 1080. In addition, built-in PCIe 104 rugged stackable connectors can extend networking bandwidth with dual 10 gigabit or 100 gigabit by Melnoax OCP Type 2. Military Standard 810 is a standard established by United States Department of Defense, considered the utmost principle for military ruggedness request. PCIe 104 platform is designed to comply to the series of tests concerning on sustainable in harsh environment. It can achieve 10 GRMS peak under 20 Hz to 2000 Hz vibration and 75 G shock within 6 milliseconds. COM Express platform can withstand vibration up to 7 GRMS under 10 Hz to 500 Hz and 40 G shock within 11 milliseconds. COM HPC platform can withstand 5 GRMS under 10 Hz to 500 Hz and 25 G shock within 11 milliseconds. To absorb, integrate, and validate vast quantities of data in multiple formats, Military Standard 461 certified edge computing platform play a critical role in this field. It ensures function properly within electromagnetic environments and avoid releasing energy cause electromagnetic interference with nearby devices. Military Standard 461 testing offers an added layer of EMI protection for military systems and reassurance to military personnel that their systems won't be disrupted by EMI. Using 7 Starlake own developed EMI filter power module to bring out military computer that meets strict military standard 461 requirements, including CE102, RE102 and RE103. Military Standard 1275 is an immunity standard that defines a series of test conditions to be applied to the input of a 28 volts electrical power system within a military vehicle. These include spikes, surges, operating voltages and ripple. 7 Starlake Military Standard 1275 DC-DC power module can withstand voltage transients without causing component damage to itself or the electronics powered by it. 7 Starlake has ultra-performance military computer product line to fulfill the different requirement. First, defense display. Second, Xeon Vmware server. Third, MXM GPU computer, and MXM GPU rack mount server. We are specialized in high-end computing platform, and our products have been applicated in different fields. 7 Starlake Defense Display Computer featured unique programmable function keys, TFT LCD can be super brightness up to 1000 nits and dimmable brightness down to 1% of overall brightness. In addition, TFT LCD with optical bonding AR coating can strengthen sunlight-readable features. With EMI mesh shielding all around TFT LCD, it can also meet military standard 461 requirements. 7 Starlake Cloud 12, a ruggedized military panel computer, which can be integrated with different types of sensors, such as high-resolution wide-angle video camera, forward and rear infrared camera and more. Cloud 12 is able to handle with heavy data transmission under high-temperature environment while maintaining high computing performance. For Intel Xeon E2276ML processor, it can run full speed without throttling up to 40 degrees Celsius. Also, we adopts NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphic card that performs remarkable image processing and visual displays. D389 connectors offer the highest performance capabilities and reliability for both general duty and severe environment applications. Made with removable crimp or fixed hermetic solder contacts, these connectors provide high vibration characteristics and are suitable for severe wind and moisture problem areas. A programmable function key is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. Cloud 12 is equipped with 20 rubber tooling function keys. Regardless the application in navigation or surveillance of marine, aviation and military ground vehicle. The programmable function keys are believed to provide convenient and efficient user surface under quick pace of critical battle mission. Under direct, bright sunlight, it has a great chance that screen looks washed out or becomes invisible. Operators cannot read information easily, losing the capability of situational awareness. To avoid the risk, Cloud 12 features the brightness up to 1400 nits, with optical bonding and AR coating on TFT LCD. VMware software powers the world's complex digital infrastructure. Intel Xeon DE platform is supporting multi-core processor up to 16 cores featured by D1587 and D2187NT. The server can withstand the vibration up to 5 GRMs and shock up to 25 G. It is also equipped with the hardware secure erase, AES, when under emergency situation. The written data is required to be erased immediately. Instant erase is a particular feature for self-encrypting drive. The encryption and decryption is controlled by an AES key on the path. Once the AES key is replaced by a new one, the data becomes unrecognizable. The SR800 is an IP65 VMware rugged workstation that equipped ultra-high-performance Intel Xeon D1587. SR800 are ready to handle multiple applications in harsh environments. It is designed to withstand harsh environment and comply with numerous tests such as military standard 810, including temperature, shock and vibration, and certified by military standard 461, 1275 EMI/EMC to cover voltage spikes, electrostatic discharge and more. It is also fully qualified IP65 with D389 connectors, which can offer the highest performance capabilities and ready to handle multiple applications in harsh environments. Generally, to exchange the battery from a rugged solution is complicated and has the possibility to affect the original function of water and dust resistance. SR800 has an easy swappable battery tray allowing users to directly replace. A coin cell battery can be seen when pulling the tray fully out of the computer. Users just need to change with CR2032 battery and push the tray back and lock screw, then the replacement is completed. SR800 is also equipped with the hardware secure erase function, AES features to support highest level data security. The dual removable SSD tray provide a compact self-contained enclosure to store and retrieve 2.5 inches flash disks and have been qualified to meet 1.2 meters drop test. In addition, 7 Starlake customizes the MLC SSD slot in a way the disk does not fall off during clash and collision. We envisage different scenarios where the unique anti-drop protection prevents the pins from moving, ensuring an optimum environment for operating the computer. 7 Starlake's unique aluminum upper cover high thermal conductivity enclosure is designed with high and low fin plus wave line, creating adequate airflow and increasing the surface area in contact with the cooling medium up to 30 to 40%. RAM generates intense heat while the server is operating in high speed. The aluminum heat spreader touches the RAM and the upper cover directly, efficiently dissipate heat from the heat source to the external enclosure. Edge GPU systems allow extraordinary amounts of data to be collected and processed right on the battlefield in real time. MXM GPU computer SR and AV family including SR100, SR200, SR700 and AV700 series is built on PCIe 104 and COM Express small form factor platform to withstand vibration and shock to be undergo harsh environment such as storm, blizzard, extreme temperature. SR100, 200, and 700 MXM GPU computer product line is certified by Military Standard 810 to withstand vibration up to 10 grms and shock up to 75 G. It can also be applied with conformal coating to not only prevent the system from being corroded, but provide protection against salt fog, moisture, dust, chemicals, and temperature extremes. AV700 and AV710 are based on COM Express structure to withstand vibration up to 7 grms and shock up to 40 G. AV700 series is integrated with Military Standard 461 certified EMI filter to ensure function properly within electromagnetic environments and avoid releasing energy. AV710X1 is based on COM Type 6. Is supporting either 9th or 11th General Core i7, giving it an ultimate performance. An AV710X3 is based on COM Type 7, which is driven by Intel Broadwell Xeon DE and installed with NVIDIA Quadro MXM RTX 5000 that generates excellent resolution and supports high efficiency and fluency of image processing. 7 Starlake AV710X3 is an IP65 MXM GPU server driven by Intel Broadwell Xeon D1577 processor, which is an extremely compact Core i-based fanless rugged system. Broadwell Xeon D processor and NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 support outstanding CPU and graphics performance that generates excellent resolution and supports high efficiency and fluency of image processing with competitive G3D mark and low power consumption. AV710X3 highlight on its rugged design and high functionality. The system especially installed cylindrical type connector Amphenol D389 and full IP65 protection allow system withstand in any kind of harsh environment. And Military Standard 461 certified 18-volt to 36-volt DC module can protect system from damages caused by sudden surge of voltage, thus further secure the reliability of its critical components and the system itself. It supports extended temperature from -40 degrees to 60 degrees. 7 Starlake designs a unique enclosure that is able to stack together both horizontally and vertically. The aluminum top sink of AV710X3 high thermal conductivity enclosure is designed with high and low fin plus wave line, with the water and dust protection up to IP65 rating. It can stand against the intrusion of dust, accidental contact, and water. MXM GPU rack mount server is built to comply military standard 810 to resist vibration up to 5 grms and shock up to 25 grams. It provides high performance and reliable storage with 12x SATA RAID and 8x SAS RAID. The design of Horus 420 is based on rugged and high functionality, with Intel 6th Gen Xeon E3-1268L. Presents outstanding CPU performance with quad cores up to 3.4 GHz clock speed. The system especially supports NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphic card for high-efficiency image processing. With dual 10 gigabit ensures high-efficiency transmission without any delay for massive data. Horus 420 supports extended temperature from -20 degrees to 60 degrees and 2x200 watt AC/DC power supply unit with redundant support 100 volt to 240 volt AC input. And 2x200 watt AC/DC power supply unit with redundant support 100 volt to 240 volt AC input. Horus 420 adopts dual-sided thermal solution, with copper heat spreader directly touches the heat source component's processor and graphic GPU to absorb the heat rapidly. The heat then transfer to heat pipe. The aluminum heatsink dissipates the heat into surrounding air promptly. With unique thermal design, Horus 420 can ensure high performance and reliability while working under extended range temperature from -40 degrees up to 50 degrees. Additionally, 8x massive storages, up to 2 terabytes, are installed as removable SSDs by SAS RAID that can easily be swapped the storages without dismantling the system. By integrating active cooling fan kits ensures system CPU i7 6700 and GPU GTX 1050T run full speed without throttling even under harsh environment up to 60 degrees. Thank you for your listening.